Introducing the Lenspen, a cleaning pen made to clean all lenses. First, push out the retractable brush made of soft natural bristles to dust away any particles. Then use the cleaning tip of the Lenspen to instantly remove any smudge or fingerprint. Just apply gentle pressure and move it in a circular movement. Once you're done, simply place the cap back on and twist it a couple of times to recharge the cleaning tip. So order now on Moredeal and have your lens cleaned in seconds. Save more, live more.
Alright, kick back, relax and grab yourself a beverage. Or hop if you wanna just bounce to my leverage. The evidence, as they say, is in the pudding. So show me the money like my name is Cuba Gooding. It ain't fool's gold, it's gold, fool. Can't stop, won't stop, keeping it old school. So cool. Big Spoon is my nom de plume. I keep it popping like a needle in a new balloon. And if you don't know by now,